11 years ago, a dream took shape, an idea fueled by passion, commitment, and innovation. Prakhar Software Solutions embarked on a journey to transform industries, empower businesses, and inspire change. It all began in the year 2014 when Mr. Pradeep Namdeo started working tirelessly in a modest office. He believes technology has the power to simplify, solve, and scale. From those humble beginnings, a legacy was born. Little did we know then, this legacy would soon place us on the path to becoming a publicly listed company with the launch of our IPO, a moment that will further strengthen our mission to drive innovation. With every passing year, Prakhar Software Solutions grew stronger, building cutting-edge solutions, forging partnerships, and crossing significant milestones. From our first client to achieving a 100 crore plus turnover, and with 2,400 passionate team members across the country, we have left our mark in diverse industries. Most notably, our continued partnership with the government in the e-governance space showcases our commitment to nation building. But that's not all. We have taken bold steps in advancing India's drone technology sector, developing an indigenously crafted drone flight controller under the Make in India Abhiyan. This innovation positions Prakhar at the forefront of drone technology, empowering India to reduce its dependency on foreign solutions and lead the global stage in this critical space. Hard work and excellence didn't go unnoticed. Accolades and industry recognition reinforced our belief that we were on the right path. Awards weren't just trophies. They were a testament to the dedication of our team and the trust of our clients. Whether in e-governance, drone innovation, or enterprise solutions, our impact has been felt far and wide. Innovation became our cornerstone. With our drone flight controller, we didn't just develop technology, we enabled a revolution. Through Project Punk, we trained over 500 youngsters, providing them with skills to excel in emerging sectors, and successfully placed over 100 plus individuals in promising roles. Our commitment doesn't stop there. With our leadership in agricultural drone technology, we are empowering over 5,000 women in Madhya Pradesh to deploy drones in agriculture. Together, we're redefining the role of technology in improving productivity and creating opportunities for women at scale. Our people are at the heart of everything we do. At Prakhar Software Solutions, we built more than just a workplace. We built a family, a culture of collaboration, learning, and mutual respect fueled our journey forward. Through consistent training and upskilling, we ensure every individual thrives alongside the company. Today, as we celebrate 11 incredible years, we stand tall as a leader in the software solutions industry, proud of our roots, grateful for our journey, and excited for what lies ahead. From cutting-edge e-governance solutions to breakthroughs in drone technology, our achievements reflect the dedication of every team member who helped shape this legacy. This milestone is not just a celebration of the past, but a stepping stone to a brighter future. With the launch of our IPO on the horizon, we are ready to unlock even greater possibilities. Our vision of creating self-reliant, technology-driven ecosystems is stronger than ever. Whether through our software solutions or advancements in drone technology, the next chapter promises to be even more remarkable. Prakhar Software Solutions Pvt Ltd, 11 years of innovation, growth, and excellence. Thank you for being an integral part of our journey. Together, let's shape the future of technology, innovation, and progress.